Okay, ta dương mà to lịch đáp. My parents are coming this weekend. Would you like to meet?
Đám trà.
Okay, them. 11. They're not married now. She left. She left what?
I think him trà.
Okay, good. She left him a year ago. 12. Where's your passport? I don't know. I can't find it. Okay, good. 13. My mother writes to me every week, but I don't write
Thu ho trà.
to her very often. 14. Were you at the meeting last night? I didn't see
Du trà.
you there, correct? Number 15. We want to help you. Please tell
Us trà.
us. Okay, để sao mình subject V nè nè. Tell us about your problems. Okay, good. មានកំហុសប៉ុន្មានដែរនៅក្នុង15លំហាត់នេះមានកំហុសប៉ុន្មានដែរ15លំហាត់នេះ
One trà.
Okay, good ខុសមួយល្អមែនតើចុះចន្ទថាខុសប៉ុន្មាន
Thu chưa thu.
Okay នៅអត់បញ្ហាឥឡូវយើងបន្តទៅធ្វើលំហាត់បន្តទៀតតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង subject pronoun នេះតោះធ្វើបន្តទៀតមកដើម្បីពង្វឹកវេយ្យាករណ៍របស់យើង complete with am is ឬមួយក៏ are នៅក្នុងប្រឡោះនេះបន្តមកទៀត write the sentences with contractions តមកទៀតឲ្យយើងសរសេរជាទម្រង់កាត់ហើយ C write the sentences with a subject pronoun and a contraction គេឲ្យយើងសរសេរប្រយោគហ្នឹងជាមួយនឹងsubject pronoun ហើយនឹងទម្រង់កាត់បែបនេះអញ្ចឹងចាប់ដើមធ្វើមក ABC សូមទម្លាក់ចម្លើយនៅក្នុង chat ណាដើម្បីយើងឆែកចម្លើយដល់អ្នកគ្នាអូខេ2នាទីអញ្ចឹងអូខេអញ្ចឹង
We are chưa.
Okay, he
is
they
are
today
there
is I
I am.
it
is
is.
you
you are
she
she
is my name
my name
is I
am.
Okay, good ទម្រង់កាត់ទី1
It's Friday.
Okay, it's Friday ទី2
day
Yes.
Okay, they're in school ទី3
am
Okay, I'm very well ទី4
your
Okay, good. You're in my class. Okay, yangក្រោយគេ C. ទម្រង់ write the subject write the sentences with a subject pronoun and a contraction. Okay,ទី1
he
One is
he's in room 5.
he is
Yeah, he's in room 5. Number 2
we chưa.
we ចុះដល់ពេល VR ទម្រង់កាត់អានថាម៉េច we're okay we're early. Yeah, we're early. Number 3 she's she's a teacher. Number 4
it is in Madrid.
Okay, it's in Madrid. ឥឡូវយើងបន្តការធ្វើជាមួយនឹងលំហាត់ object pronoun បន្តទៀតអូខេនេះគឺជា object pronoun ម្ដង object pronoun គេឲ្យយើងធ្វើអីគេ change the highlighted words to object pronouns គេឲ្យយើងផ្លាស់ប្ដូរពាក្យដែល highlight ទាំងអស់នេះឲ្យទៅជា object pronoun វិញណាទី1ចំណែក B គេឲ្យយើង complete the sentences បំពេញប្រយោគជាមួយនឹង a subject pronoun I he អញ្ចឹងទៅឬមួយក៏ object pronoun me him អញ្ចឹងទៅចឹងមើលតាមប្រឡោះនេះឲ្យបំពេញមកអូខេតោះបន្តការងារយើងទៀតអូខេតោះយើងបន្តទៀតតើកន្លែង my wallet អាចជំនួសបាននៅពាក្យអ្វីសព្វនាមអ្វី Hello បាទជំនួសដោយ it to her father ជំនួសដោយ
father ជំនួសដោយ him
បាទ
I think him
him she speak to him in German okay her father ជំនួសដោយ him to his friends them to my friend and me
us
okay good us to his girlfriend
his girlfriend
her okay to my cats
it
cat មានម៉ាន
them
okay them cats មានច្រើនណាគឺ them ឥឡូវយើងចាប់ដើមបន្តមកខាងលេខ1បន្តទៀត Susan has a big flat
with flat she like
okay she likes
it
okay she likes it a lot we often visit
her
okay okay we often visit គេថា Susan មានផ្ទះមួយដ៏ធំនាងចូលចិត្តវាណាស់យើងតែងតែមកសួរសុខទុក្ខឬក៏មកលេង
visit her on Sunday
okay visit her on Sunday because she invites us for lunch okay good I am very happy with my neighbors
they often have
good they often have me with my children they often take
them
take them they often take them to school when I am working Mark loves Roth but she doesn't love him he calls her every day but
she doesn't want to
talk to him okay good my brother has 2 dogs
he take them
dog mean man
he take them
okay កន្លែងនេះគឺនៅជាមួយ subject my brother អញ្ចឹង he takes them for a walk twice a day I don't like them very much because
they bark at me
good they bark at me គេ bark
ព្រោះ
ហ្នឹងហើយ bark at somebody ណាព្រោះដាក់នរណាម្នាក់ we often take my grandfather some magazine but
he
never read
he never read I think it
magazine មានម៉ាន
I never read them
plural ណា magazines ចឹង read them បន្តមកទៀត watches អីគេ watches he watches TV all day and never turns
It of.
It of. Okay, good. Chân thá thưa trời ban mà chân thá. Chân thá thưa trời ban mà bát.
Hầu cho pram á cũng.
Ô, câu số pram à. Ok, cho chùm lại ban chùm lại hơi. Ok, nãy ban chùm lại hơi.
Chờ mình đi record tốt cái chờ.
Miễn record video đó chứ anh mơ ban ở đây thì không cần lúc bao nhiêu
Ok chờ chăm chờ chăm mơ mình mới nhầm nâng review lang quên chẳng sợ.
ba review lang quên nè ba review video như lang quên nhưng mà record tục ai là hot cầm phay ấy nè record ai tục là hot mơ cho ok ba là lấy dương chop pronoun bên năng hơi dương chop đa mà to từ merin môi tiết dạ tôn chỉ môi năng merin dương mà tham tiết từ đây làm pi ghế nice big beautiful cái anh ấy ai chỉ một thá adjective phải cái adjective cái adjective
Describe noun chờ.
Má
Niêm chờ.
con là niêm cái pra nó pel nè con là niêm cái pra nó pel nè
Describe noun chờ.
good we use adjective to describe a noun okay យើងប្រើគុណនាមដើម្បីវិពណ៌នាឲ្យនាមឥឡូវយើងមើលនៅក្នុងប្រអប់នៃទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងសូមឲ្យមិញអានអស់មក
Yeah, teacher, it's a beautiful day. My teacher is very young. It's an expensive restaurant. They are very friendly people.
អូខេអរគុណពាក្យនេះយើងអានថា restaurant ណាមិន restaurant ទេ restaurant អូខេឥឡូវបន្តមកទៀតចឹងថាសូមអានឡើងនេះ
Adjective usually come before nouns. It's an expensive restaurant. Adjective can also come after the verb to be. My teacher is very young.
អូខេអរគុណអញ្ចឹងតួនាទីរបស់គុណនាមគឺវាឈរនៅខាងមុខនាម expensive ជាគុណនាម restaurant វាជានាមអញ្ចឹង adjective ត្រូវតែឈរនៅខាងមុខនាមជានិច្ចកលឹះទី1កលឹះទី2គឺវាឈរបន្ទាប់ពី verb to be ណាគឺ is បន្ទាប់ពី to be មកយើងមាន adjective នឹងហើយ verb to be មានប្រមាណ
Creator.
មានន័យខ្លះ
M is are.
M is
អូខេត្រឹមត្រូវមាន am មាន is ហើយមាន are អញ្ចឹងវាអាចឈរបន្ទាប់ពី verb to be នឹងហើយមិញអានបន្តទៀត
Yeah, teacher, an adjective does not change. It is always the same for singular, plural,
masculine
and
feminine
nouns.
Okay.
Clever girl.
Clever girl.
Clever girls. Clever boy. Clever boys.
Okay អញ្ចឹងគេថាគុណនាមគឺវាអត់មានការប្រែប្រួលខ្លួនរបស់វាទេ It is always use the same for singular ហើយ plural អញ្ចឹងវាត្រូវបានគេប្រើប្រាស់ដូចគ្នាទៅនឹង singular ឬក៏ plural អត់ខ្វល់ទេ Okay masculine ឬក៏ feminine noun ឬក៏នាមដែលបង្ហាញអំពីភេទស្រីភេទប្រុសក៏វាអត់បញ្ហាដែរអាចប្រើបានដូចគ្នា A clever girl អញ្ចឹង clever adjective girl singular clever girls អូខេអញ្ចឹងឡើយនេះមាន plural អញ្ចឹងប្រើបានដូចគ្នាអត់បញ្ហាទេអញ្ចឹងសរុបមកវិញ adjective គឺវាឈរនៅខាងមុខនាមហើយប្រើបានទាំងនាមឯកវចនៈប្រើបានទាំងនាមពហុវចនៈប្រើបានទាំងពីរអត់បញ្ហាឥឡូវយើងចាប់ដើមសាកល្បងធ្វើលំហាត់នេះបន្តិចលោកមើលគេឲ្យយើងធ្វើអីគេឲ្យយើង write សរសេរ sentence ប្រយោគទាំងអស់នេះជាមួយនឹង with an adjective and a noun បើប្រើជាមួយនឹងគុណនាមហើយជាមួយនឹងនាមឧទាហរណ៍ small និង rooms the rooms are small ឬក៏អាចសរសេរបានថា they're small rooms not long story it's not a long story the story is not long អូខេសរសេរបានបែបនេះដែរអូខេតោះចាប់ដើមធ្វើអំពីចំណុចទី3ដល់ទី10
Yes, teacher. The happy children and the children is happy.
อ่า
I'm happy, sir. Sorry, sir.
okay right number 4 จันทาตัวนี้ number 4
Alo chờ
บ้านเชิญ number 4
nơi chờ mấy bạn phớ mê còn khó mà không hoàn tịnh bài
โอ
trả
เคจังอะไรจำใช้จะไล่มวยนึงนี่ต้องนี่mình nói đây cho ok tao
dạ
bay tí
chờ
buồn ba tí buồn mình
Yes, teacher. The dirty restaurant. The restaurant is dirty.
ok phải
Number 5. The heavy books. The books are heavy.
ลองเทียบเมื่อไหร่นี่นะเว้ยเนี่ย the room are small จัง the books are heavy
Heavy.
and they are heavy books ok
Yes, sir.
okที่ประมวย
Number 6. The house is cold.
the house is cold it is a cold
House.
house โอเคที่ประปี
The village is quiet.
The
Quiet village.
it is a quiet village okay number 9 number 8
It is not cheap clothes. The clothes is not cheap.
ดองเทียบthey are
They are not
yeah the clothes are not cheap
cheap.
they are not cheap clothes okay number 9
Number 9. The garden is pretty.
the garden is pretty it is
It is pretty garden.
okay it is a pretty garden number 10
It is a difficult language.
it is a difficult language
Language is difficult.
okay good ចឹងនេះគឺជារបៀបនៃការប្រើប្រាស់គុណនាមនៅខាងមុខនាមចឹងនៅថ្ងៃសប្តាហ៍ក្រោយយើងនឹងបន្តរៀនជាមួយគ្នាឡើងវិញបន្តទៀតតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងគុណនាមហើយយើងនឹងបន្តមេរៀនថ្មីបន្តទៀត okay bye for now everyone and see you again next week bye bye and don't forget complete ណាមើលវីដេអូឡើងវិញផង goodbye
Goodbye.
bye bye
goodbye sir goodbye
bye តាបាទ